All right, so just showing you what I have on my page. You can see my picture right here. Under that, you see my name. You don't have to put your full name there. Just put whatever you want them to know you as, your credential, your certification. So this is from Scrum Master, Product Owner, my degree, my master's degree. You can put it here. You don't have to, but you can definitely put it there. And this is how you edit. You go here, and this is where you put your first name. So if you see my last name has all the credentials there, you don't have to. You can put it down here, but you can. This is where you put all your information in. Whatever you want to put, you can put. The headline is where I put my Scrum Master or my certification as Scrum Master, or my title is. So if you're a senior business analyst, you put it here. So you have to fill all this out. It's going to ask you what industry you work in. So this is the healthcare. So you can put whatever industry. Your education is important. All this that has historics means you have to actually fill it out. If you want it to show on your page, you definitely have to click on this to show everything here on your page. So where are you looking for a job? Location, or where are you? So I'm in the United States, the zip code, where I am, everything is there. So you save it. So if I make any changes, then I'll save it. So this is where everything is. So like I said, if you have to make any edits or anything like that, this is where you go to make those changes. So this is where you're open to work, meaning you want the recruiters to see you and contact you. So here, open to work. Um, if I click here, I can edit what I wanted. So this is my title. You can put, if you want a Scrum Master, you can add it to it. If you want to be a product owner, you can add it to it as well. Do you want to work on site? Do you want to do mixture of both, on site and work from home as well? Or you just want strictly remote? If you see strictly sticking to business analyst, I want to work remotely only. So I just don't want recruiters calling me about on-site jobs. So whoever's calling me or what kind of jobs I want will be remote jobs. And that's what I want. Where do I want to work? I just put where I am, which is the Washington, D.C. area, but definitely United States. So I can work anywhere. If you're working remotely, you can definitely work anywhere. So it doesn't really matter. Um, and I said I want full time. Here, I didn't fill this out because it doesn't really matter. I've already said full time. So if you want a contract job, definitely you can put that there. Part time, whatever you want, just click it. So this way you can actually, when recruiters are looking for you and the jobs that come your way, it would be definitely things that you want. So you don't have to keep going through it. And I just only want recruiters only to find me. So I'm saving it. So that's this part. So I'm just gonna go down my page. Basically, it has how many people are checking out your profile, blah, blah, blah. Let me go down. So this is about me. You talk about just a little snippet of what you're about. Well, you're a business analyst, so you just kind of break it down a little bit. You don't want to write too much. You want to keep it as simple as possible. So this is what I wrote. And then you want to put your skills here as well. What the skills that you have in your resume that you're used to working with. Make sure you can actually answer all those questions when they ask you in an interview, and they can ask you, tell me about agile or waterfall methodology. Make sure you're able to explain it. So whatever you put here as your skills, you should be able to defend it, and you should be able to know it. If someone wakes you up today, you should be able to say it with conviction and not thinking about it. So here is where you put about you, your skills. So this is the first thing that the recruiters will see even before they contact you. So these are the buzzwords that Prof will be talking about to you guys. So make sure it's there, so it's easy for recruiters to find you. So I'm just gonna go down. Um, and so my experience, I only just put one. I didn't want to go and put so many. I just put business analyst one place. You can break it down into two, three different places. But for me, I just want to keep it simple in one place. This is the healthcare field. And I also put my education as well. So I just want my page to be simple. I don't want to overload it with too many things. So, um, and here it has my Scrum Master certification, my Product Owner certification, and down here is where you also push your skills as well. So even though your skills are here, which is part of, actually I can edit and add to it. So you can add as many skills as you want. Um, I think I have maybe 40 or maybe more, I'm not sure. Just everything that you're used to, that you do, just add it to it. This is what recruiters look at when they call you. So even though you have it here, um, as you can see, I had it in my profile, at the beginning of my profile. So even though it's down here in the skills, I do have it up here as well. So when the recruiters are looking for me, it's gonna show up right here as well. Um, so that's about the LinkedIn page. So just keep it as simple as possible. You don't want to overload it. Um, just keep it simple. You don't have to do other things. So just make sure this part is you have a nice picture, you have a nice background. You just say what you want to say here. Keep it simple. Um, for your profile, let me go up. Uh, what else do I want to show you? Your URL for them to find you. If you want to change it, so usually when you have a LinkedIn page, it's gonna give you a long LinkedIn profile with numbers. You can edit it and just put the last part where your name should be. Just keep it simple. You don't want want it to have those numbers, so you can always edit. You don't have to if you don't want to, but this is you just keep it simple. It has my name, my first name, and my last name at the end of it. So this is where my profile is. So this is what's going to be on, this is what's on my resume as well. And I can always forward this to recruiters as well if they want it. So this is just a little bit about my LinkedIn page, but definitely I'll walk over with you guys. But as you can see, it's kept simple. So if any of you do follow me, if you want to have connections, you can definitely look under my connection and connect with people under mine first because you don't know other people yet. So you can just connect with people under my connection as well or Jen's Edge. All right, so that's a little video about my LinkedIn page. See if you have any questions, do reach out to me, okay?